Hello, Harris, the best affiliate on the planet. Now today I'm going to show you how we can create QR codes. This feature is brand new. And obviously I don't have to tell you all the benefits of QR code. Everyone knows. So let's go into it. So go onto the Sites tab. Now on the top right, we've got a new section called QR codes. So what we're going to do is press create QR code. Now we can name the QR code. For example, this for my client, I'll call it Dawn MMA. Okay, and paste that in and press next. Okay, now we can mess around with the colors, whatever we want it to be. White there's probably the normal one. You can just mess around with the shapes, however you want it to look like. For example, you can mess around with it if you want these circles, whatever you like. Be however you want. You can add logos in, like Google review link maybe, if it's a YouTube link, even your own. Okay, and then from there, just download the QR code, and here it will be. And there you go. You can, and I'm gonna test this out on my phone right now. Okay, so go on my phone and it should open up. My phone's a bit cracked. There you go, dawnma.co.uk, and here we are. Okay, so what you can do is screenshot this and it's all done. And as you can see there's the QR code, and we create as many as we want. We also have analytics where we can check how many times it's been clicked and blah 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 blah. Okay. So what's super cool is that if you sign up to GoHighLevel through my link, you get the free trial, plus all these benefits here. One-on-one support with me, and plus all the other 9 benefits there. It doesn't cost you anything extra. It actually doesn't make sense to sign up to GoHighLevel without an affiliate. And if you already have an affiliate, you still can join. Just message me and I'll get that sorted for you. Please like the video, it helps me out, and comment. Thank you.